Hello guys, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the biggest stories in music, culture, and entertainment. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Today we're diving deep into the story of one of the hottest rappers in the game right now, Central Cee. From his early struggles in the underground scene to becoming a global superstar, his journey is nothing short of inspiring. So sit back, relax, and let's break down how Central Cee took over the world. Oakley Neil H.T. Caesar Sue, better known as Central Cee, was born on June 4, 1998, and grew up in Shepherd's Bush, West London. Raised in a diverse community, Cench was exposed to a mix of cultures, sounds, and influences. His father introduced him to hip-hop, and he spent his childhood listening to American rap legends like Tupac, 50 Cent, and Lil Wayne. But it was UK grime and drill that truly shaped his sound. Inspired by the raw energy of grime and drill, Cench started writing bars at an early age. But he wasn't just another rapper trying to make it. He was different. His flow, his storytelling, and his ability to mix melodies with hard-hitting drill beats made him stand out. But before he became a household name, he had to put in the work. Like many artists, Central Cee's come-up was filled with challenges. His early music wasn't gaining much traction, and for a while, he was just another underground rapper trying to get noticed. In 2015, he dropped Ain't On Nuttin' alongside other West London rappers, but the track didn't blow up the way he hoped. For a few years, he was stuck in limbo, underrated, overlooked, and still trying to find his sound. But instead of giving up, Cench went back to the drawing board. He studied the game, refined his style, and in 2019, he made a crucial decision. He switched up his entire approach. Instead of following trends, he focused on making his own lane, mixing melodic hooks with drill beats, adding personal storytelling, and developing a signature style that set him apart. And that's when everything changed. In 2020, Central Cee dropped Day in the Life, and boom, the UK took notice. The track had everything: cold bars, a sick beat, and a visual aesthetic that screamed next level. It quickly went viral, racking up millions of views. But he wasn't done yet. Just a few months later, he followed up with Loading, and that's when things really took off. The track dominated the UK charts, and suddenly everyone wanted to know, who is Central Cee? His music wasn't just catching ears, it was creating a movement. And with his breakout mixtape, Wild West, he solidified himself as one of the hottest rappers in the game. After taking over the UK, Cench had his eyes set on something bigger: global domination. And he made it happen with tracks like Obsessed with You and Doja. Doja was a game changer. It went viral on TikTok, smashed the charts, and proved that Central Cee wasn't just a drill artist, he was a hit maker. But his success wasn't just about music. Central Cee became a fashion icon, rocking high-end brands like Amiri, Balenciaga, and Rick Owens. He wasn't just making hits, he was shaping culture. And let's talk about his business mind. Cench stayed independent, controlling his own career and making strategic moves that put him in a league of his own. He wasn't just playing the game, he was mastering it. So, what's next for Central Cee? More hits, more global domination, maybe even a US takeover. One thing's for sure, he's not slowing down anytime soon. With his talent, work ethic, and ability to stay ahead of the curve, Central Cee is proving that he's not just a rapper, he's a superstar. And if you thought he peaked already, think again. The best is yet to come. So, what do you think? Will Central Cee become the biggest UK rapper of all time? Drop a comment below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. There you have it, the rise of Central Cee, from underground to global superstar.